Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease keyboard lighting speed on Acer Nitro 5. First, make sure your Acer Nitro 5 is turned on. Now, look at your keyboard and find the NitroSense key. It has a small N logo on it. Press this key to open the NitroSense. Now you will see NitroSense open. Look for the keyboard or lighting section. Click on it. This features only work if your Nitro 5 supports RGB lightning keyboard. Now choose a lightning effect such as wave, breathing or color cycle. Below the lightning effect you will see the speed slider. To increase the keyboard lighting speed, move the slider to right or left. The color will change faster. To decrease the keyboard lighting speed, move the slider to left. The color will change more slowly. You can adjust the speed until you feel comfortable for your eyes. If the Acer Nitro 5 keyboard has only one color, usually red, then speed control may be not available. In that case, you can adjust the brightness level. After choosing the speed you like, close the NitroSense. The setting will save automatically. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.